Hey guys, want to create a subdomain like blog.yourSite.com? Activating a subdomain in cPanel is super easy. In this video, I will guide you through step by step on how to set up and activate a subdomain quickly. So start by logging into your hosting account and accessing cPanel. Once you're inside, scroll down to the domain section and click on subdomains. In the subdomains page, type the name you want, for example, blog or shop. Now, select the main domain you want to link it to from the drop-down list and cPanel will autofill the documents tool. Now, click Create to activate your subdomain and cPanel will set up a new directory for it in your public_HTML folder. Now, you will see your subdomain listed as active. To make sure that your subdomain is live, upload website files to the new folder created for your subdomain. You can do this via the file manager in cPanel or by using FTP. If you want to run a separate WordPress site on the subdomain, install WordPress directly in the subdomains directory using the Softaculous apps installer in cPanel. Open the browser and visit your new subdomain like blog.yourSite.com to confirm it's working. If it doesn't load immediately, give it some time for DNS propagation and go to the SSL TLS section in the cPanel and make sure that your subdomain is covered by an SSL certificate. If it's not, you can issue a free SSL using AutoSSL or your hosting's SSL manager. Also, the procedure includes logging into cPanel on the account to add a subdomain on, clicking on domains under the domain section. Now, click Create New Domain button. Enter the subdomain name to add it in the domain text box, then deselect the shared document root with domain.tld option and enter the directory where you want the files for this subdomain to exist. Click Submit option and you would have successfully created a subdomain. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.